sold to countries all over the world. Obtained a number of product patent certificates. Passed ISO 9001 certification. Products pass BPI, Beta, DIN, Compostable, biodegradable and other testing reports. We accept product printing logo customization, new product mold customization. We have our own freight forwarding service team to accept FOB, CIF, DDP delivery methods. Degradable disposable packaging materials, plastic war quick, package to protect the future. From mountains to oceans, the shadow of plastic pollution is inexorably spreading. Disposable packaging materials are discarded after use, but it is difficult to abandon, and a large number of plastic waste is besieged by the ecological environment. Our biodegradable disposable packaging materials, biodegradable cups, biodegradable fruit boxes, biodegradable plates, and healthy cake boxes stand out. It comes from nature and degrades in nature. When the mission is complete, it gracefully exits, under the help of microorganisms, turns into soil nutrients, and returns to the earth. The choice of degradable disposable packaging materials is the responsibility of enterprises, and the adherence to the green supply chain. Less plastic residue, more life. Hand in hand with degradable packaging materials, let every packaging become the guardian of the earth, and go to the beautiful tomorrow of zero waste.